Oh, man. Hey, friends, little tip today. I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but it happens to me quite often. The laces they give you for your boots are not indestructible. They end up breaking. So what I usually like to do is I'll wear those laces until one of them breaks. Then I replace them with paracord. So I'll show you how to do this, and I want to show you this cool little tool. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get yourself some paracord. The next thing you need to do is stretch out your bootlace or shoelace to a full length so you can take your paracord and unravel it to the same length, because you don't need a whole bunch of extra. You just need it to be about the same length. So you get your length figured out. Get your length figured out, and this tool here is called a spool tool, and you can get it at spooltool.us, spooltool.us. Really cool thing. It has this little blade in here, makes it easy to cut the paracord, and it holds your lighter. You need a lighter for this paracord because that's how you make the ends stay put, and the middle doesn't come undone. And what I really like to use a spool tool for too is I'll take the end of it and I'll flatten out my paracord end so it goes through an eyelet really easy. And I'll take this and I'll snip it with my little Swiss Army knife. Take my little Swiss Army knife and I'll snip it so it's shaped to go through those eyelets really easy. You want to make sure you do both ends. Nice little pointed tip, so it'll go through those boot eyelets really easy. Then you take your boot lace or your boot with your paracord laces. You might have to snip off just a little bit more or press it together. Sometimes I have to push on it a little bit or cut it just a little bit. And there you go, folks. Now you have brand new laces, and they're super strong because they're paracord. They're 550 cord, and they will last a really, really long time. This little tool, this spool tool, is a fantastic thing to keep in your car or in your bag or wherever. But man, this thing is sure handy. And I highly recommend it. And I recommend you think about getting one too, so that you always have paracord, your lighter, and a little blade to cut that paracord. Hey folks, thanks so much for watching. I know today's video wasn't really the normal kind of content that we usually put out there, but it's all something that's usable, things you can do to be more self-sufficient, things you can do to help better yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to work hard because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.